Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to replace headlights. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need a flat blade screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, a trim tool set, and both 7mm and 10mm sockets with a ratchet. Having these items ready will make the process much smoother. This job requires patience, but it's definitely achievable for a DIY enthusiast. To access the headlight, you'll first remove the weather stripping and 6 retainer clips from the top of the bumper. Next, use your 10mm socket to remove several bolts holding the bumper and trim. Don't forget to turn your wheels to access Phillips head screws in the fender liner. Finally, remove a 7mm bolt connecting the bumper to the fender, allowing you to gently pull the bumper forward. With the bumper loosened, you can now disconnect any wiring harnesses, such as those for park assist or washer fluid. Then, remove the final 10mm bolts holding the headlight assembly in place. Carefully pry the old unit out and disconnect its main electrical connector. Now, simply connect your new headlight assembly, making sure the electrical lock tab is fully engaged, and slide it into position. Now it's time for reassembly. Carefully reinstall all the bolts, screws, clips, and trim pieces you removed earlier. Once everything is secure, test your new headlights to confirm they are working properly. For optimal visibility and safety, adjust their aim by backing up 25 feet from a wall. The passenger side hotspot should be about 2 inches below the line, and the driver's side 4 inches below. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to a fantastic book about money, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.